Long balloon chain tutorial. Take out the balloons tied in pairs. Grip part of the note of the other group of balloons with one group of balloons. Now remove the remaining cluster and continue tightening by twisting. Repeat this action. Make sure each balloon is as uniform as possible. Trim off the excess balloon at the end, then tie it off. Tie a knot in the remaining set of balloons in the same way. And there you have it, your balloon strip chain is done.